How many would recognize the name Al-Khwarizmi? Al-Khwarizmi was a Muslim mathematician and astronomer whose major works introduced Hindu-Arabic numerals and the concepts of algebra into European mathematics. Latinized versions of his name and of his most famous book title live on in the terms algorithm and algebra. Let's listen short clip of the speech of Nur Mawlana Shah Karim al-Hussaini Hazir, Imam at Ogden Memorial Lecture at Brown University on 2014.
My own ancestors, the Fatimids, founded one of the world's oldest universities, Al-Azhar in Cairo, over 1,000 years ago. In fields of learning from mathematics to astronomy, from philosophy to medicine, Muslim scholars sharpened the cutting edge of human knowledge. They were the equivalents of thinkers like Plato and Aristotle, Galileo and Newton, yet their names are scarcely known in the West today. How many would recognize the name of Al-Khwarizmi, the Persian mathematician who developed some 1,200 years ago the algorithm which is the foundation of the search engine technology? I wondered what would have happened if Al-Khwarizmi had patented or copyrighted his algorithm. And I tried to analyze what would be the consequences. Well, the first consequence is that copyright lawyers around the world would either be billionaires or bust. There were those who had broken the copyright would be billionaires, and the others goodbye. Secondly, the programs probably would have been renamed. So if they had been renamed, either they would have Muslim names or they would keep their names. If they had Muslim names, they would be in Arabic or Turkish or Persian or Urdu, and none of you would be able to pronounce those names. If the names were kept, then they would be printed in the developing world, and you know what it's like to print English in the developing world. So Twitter would have become Twit. Google would have become Giggle.